Hey guys, my name is Tim.
And I'm Jeff.
Thank you for visiting Pacific Pool Supply's YouTube channel. We're a swimming pool supply store located just outside Las Vegas, Nevada. And here on our channel, we'll be posting everything regarding the maintenance of your swimming pool.
And awesome inflatables!
Right. So if you're new to owning a swimming pool, whether it's above ground or in ground, 5,000 gallons or 100,000 gallons, we'll be posting helpful tips and tricks, reviews on chemicals and pool vacs, as well
And some wacky pool floats.
Yeah, pool toys and much, much more.
We'll have new videos every week, so be sure to like and subscribe. Straight from the hottest city in the Sun Belt. We'll also have more inflatables than you can shake a stick at. Ow!
Dude, cool it with the inflatables.
Shh, I'm on the phone.
Well guys, keep an eye on our YouTube channel because we'll be posting a ton of videos this summer.
And pool-tastic inflatables.
Stop.